Oke guys, kali ini kita belajar how to put our newspaper in your Google document. Okay, so the first prepare your Google document at your Google Drive. Oke, Mister sharing screen dulu ya. Oke, screen aja. Yo, this is for the example. This is my newspaper. I was create this newspaper with my Google document. So for today, we're going to learn how to create like this. Okay. So prepare your Google document first. Just click right in your Google Drive and then choose the Google document and then blank document. Okay, for example, I want to create the new. Click right, choose the Google Docs and blank document, and then we can go into the untitled document in your Google Docs. Okay, the first we going to put our title. You put your main title. For example, I just wanna put the news all about e-sport. So e-sport. Okay. So this is our main title, right? And then we want to change the size because this is the main title. I think it's more big. Size I want to 1 maybe. And then I put this size in the default. Maybe okay. Nice. And then we create the subtitle. The subtitle is more small, better than the main title. You can put the subtitle here. Okay, or maybe you can change the text if you want to change like this, and if you want to bold this font, you can click the bold. This is bold for the bold this font. I click and underline. You can give like this. Okay. Hopefully you can like this. Okay, if you want to change this color, change the colors. Which one do you like? Like for example, just blue, like this. Okay. So this is for the format text. Okay, this is for the head title, main title. If you want to change, you can choose whatever you like. Okay, but in the case I just use normal text. Okay, tadi 18 di bold lagi ya. Terus tadi I choose the blue color. Okay, and then this is the font type. You can choose the font type in here. This is, you can change your size, type size, the font size in here. And you can bold, you can italic, you can underline, and you can fill the colors or change the text colors. This is the highlight. You can do highlight, like for example like this. Okay, but kita nggak pakai itu, tenang aja. So we have a main title and subtitle. Next, kita kasih kayak boundaries, batasan untuk masuk ke dalam paragraf 1 ya. Caranya kita bisa insert horizontal line like this, oke. Jadi ini langsung masuk untuk topik untuk di bawahnya. Oke, untuk mengisi berita, you can find the news in your Google browser. For example, I want to find e-sport nih. Mister udah dapat nih mengenal apa itu e-sport, sejarah singkatnya dan profesi yang ada di dalamnya. Nah, buat contohnya boleh di copy paste dulu. Nanti kalau online kita ngetik ya, kita sekalian belajar ngetik. Tapi buat offline kalian bisa copy paste dulu news atau artikel yang mau kalian angkat. Kalau for example, coach ingin, Mister ingin e-sport. Okay. Oh, don't forget to save that image because we need it. Okay. Then I'm copy paste in. I'm copy this article. Okay. Control C. Back to your document. Control V. Like this. And then I want to change this color text into black, all black. Okay. And Mister rapikan dulu biar enak dibaca. Tadi kan masih agak berantakan gitu ya. So this is the first paragraph, this is the second paragraph. Okay, I wanna change the line-nya. Kalau ini kan left line atau rata kiri. So if you want to center, choose the center line untuk rata tengah atau rata kanan seperti ini. Atau dia justify, dia rata kedua sisinya. Untuk if you want to create a news, usually the line of the news itu kita pakai justify, okay, rata kedua sisi. Jadi kalian bisa justify. And then if you want to giving the space from the one row, in the next row you can check click the line spacing. Jadi antara baris ini dan atasnya ada sebuah spasi. Biasanya normalnya itu 1.15. Tapi kalau biasanya untuk if you want create like magazine, article, proposal atau tugas-tugas, biasanya kita using 1.5. Okay, like this. Kita juga coba ininya kita choose the 1.5. Okay, sekarang how about number list? Number list ini if you want to create point per point, for example I give this one. Okay, so you can click this number list. It's more easier to helping you to count it if you want to creating the point, if you to helping you to point in your Google documents. Or maybe you can change, I think you can change first like this. You can change and you can choose which one the format do you want to use, right? Okay, that's for the example. We delete it first, delete it. Okay, And then what else? Okay, we have a news, and then the next we want to insert our image because the new have uh, at least one image, maybe more. So the next I want to insert the image because the Mr. was have the image downloaded from the internet, dari internet. Jadinya bisa sekarang tinggal upload ya, kita upload, and then choose where's the image I put. Oh, ini namanya where Discord this is done. Okay, usually the main image we put in before the first paragraph. Okay, because this image we cannot change the position, we can edit this position. Click right the image, and then where's the order? Okay, image option, position adjustment. Okay, text wrapping. Okay, we choose the wrap text like this, so we can change the position like this. Nice, like this, and we can resize it like this. Nice. Okay, like this. Okay, because when you see the format of the newspaper, they have two columns. We can change our document into the two columns like the newspaper. Just insert, oh no, sorry, format, columns, and choose the columns like this. Okay, and we resize again the image. Okay. Okay, and then let's okay, and then I want to give the image again. I want to insert the image in here. Insert, upload. This is nice. Okay. Okay, we have two images, we have two columns. And then for the example, like this. Okay, and then we going to change the orientation this page. This is vertical. I think I want to change into the horizontal its format, page number, no, no, no. Oh, page setup. Okay, just whole document and orientation change from the portrait into the landscape, right? For that, okay. Okay, like this, right? We change the okay, okay. Okay, we like this. Okay, this is our newspaper. So that's all class for today. So for your homework, you can create newspaper like this, but your topic is free. Whatever do you like, you can create your own topic. Bisa game, bisa K-pop, bisa NCT, bisa Blackpink, bisa apa aja. Oke, jadi buat seperti ini contohnya. Don't forget to main title, subtitle, image, sama two columns and dirapikan. Oke, nanti kita next class kita doing using header, footer, dan ada magic tools yang nanti kalian tahu. Magic toolsnya itu friend, jadi kalau kita ngomong dia akan ngetik sendiri, jadi kita nggak perlu ngetik, kita ngomong dia ngetik sendiri. Oke, thank you for today and have a good day, have a nice day, and don't forget to work your homework, and then God bless you. Bye.